Hello, and welcome to Knowledge Base, where we simplify complex topics for you. If you're passionate about programming and want to learn Python, you've come to the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. Let's begin. Python is one of the most popular and versatile programming languages in the world. From web development to data science, machine learning, automation, and much more, Python is everywhere. What makes Python so special? It's simple to learn, with a clean syntax that emphasizes readability and reduces the cost of program maintenance. High-level language, interpreted language, open source and community-driven. Python was created by Guido van Rossum and was first released in 1991. It's free to use and is widely adopted for both beginner and advanced projects alike. Before we start coding in Python, let's make sure you have everything set up. Installing Python is simple. Just head over to python.org, download the latest version, and install it. Visit python.org to download Python. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt and type Python version to confirm it's working correctly. You're now ready to start writing Python code. Python installation complete. Now let's write our very first Python program. Don't worry, it's super easy. All you need to do is type print "Hello World" in your Python editor and run the script. When you do, you'll see "Hello World" printed on the screen. It's that simple to get started. Now that we've written our first program, let's talk about variables and data types in Python. A variable is a container used to store data. For example, x equals 10 stores the number 10 in the variable x. Integers, whole numbers, for example, x equals 5. Floats, decimal numbers, for example, y equals 3.14. Strings, text, for example, name equals Alice. Booleans, true or false, for example, is an active equals true. In Python, we have several built-in data types like integers, floats, strings, and booleans. Python automatically detects the type based on the value you assign, so you don't have to worry about specifying it yourself. Next, let's explore operators in Python. Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. Python supports arithmetic, comparison, and logical operators. For example, the plus operator is used to add two numbers together, while the equals operator checks if two values are equal. Conditional statements let you execute specific blocks of code based on certain conditions. Let's look at an example. Here, we're checking if the variable x is greater than 5. If true, it prints x is greater than 5. Otherwise, it prints the alternative message. Next, let's talk about loops. Loops allow you to execute a block of code multiple times. We have two main types of loops: the for loop and the while loop. The for loop iterates over a sequence, like a list or range, and the while loop runs as long as a specified condition is true. Functions are a great way to organize your code and make it reusable. You define a function with the def keyword. In this example, the function greet takes one parameter name and prints a personalized greeting. When you call the function with the argument Alice, it prints "Hello Alice." Python also provides data structures like lists and dictionaries. A list is an ordered collection of items, while a dictionary stores data in key-value pairs. Lists allow you to store multiple items in a specific order, and dictionaries allow you to store data in key-value pairs, making it easy to retrieve information using keys. Working with files is another important feature in Python. You can open, read, and write to files using Python's built-in functions. In this example, we open a file called example.txt in read mode. Read its contents and print them. Python has built-in error handling to help you manage unexpected situations in your code. This is done using the try-except block. In this example, we attempt to divide by 0, which would normally cause an error. But with try-except, we catch the error and handle it gracefully. And that's a wrap. You've now learned some of the core concepts of Python programming. Variables, data types, operators, control flow, loops, functions, and more. Python is a powerful tool, and with these basics, you're ready to dive deeper into more advanced topics. Let's download and install Python on our Windows and run some basic Python code step by step. If you enjoyed this video and want more beginner-friendly tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who are starting their Python journey. If you have any questions or need help, drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching and happy coding! Make sure to check out our other videos for more tutorials on programming and tech topics. See you in the next one. Subscribe to our channel to increase your knowledge with the knowledge base. Thank you.